What is up, guys? We're at Mud Bash 2021 at Busco Beach, North Carolina, and it's Friday morning. We stayed here last night, got the campsite set up over here with some friends of ours. And talk about a packed park. We're gonna have a lot of riding in this footage, a lot of live action from me, as well as other people in our group. Let's go. Like I said, the park is packed, super dusty, but we're gonna have a good time. Hopefully not a bunch of riding in this footage and more just live action. So stand by, let's have some fun. Bottom now. All right, guys, so we're about 20 minutes into riding, already stuck. High rut hole in the center. We're about to pull ourselves out and then we'll get back on the trail. Alright guys, so we just got back to camp. It's been a long day, but it's about to be a really good night as well. Gonna get some more riding done. Hopefully you like the footage that you've seen already. Got the XMR. Jacob came out to play with us today. We're cooking up some dinner as we speak, but everything's going great. Having a good time, having a blast. The only thing that I would like to say is the dust is super bad, but other than that, having a great time. All right guys, it's day 2, or technically day 3 of 3. We got here Thursday night, and now it's going on Saturday morning. We're cleaning up camp right now. We're still gonna try to see a few events today and do the best to have some fun. Let's go guys, we're trying to skim the pond. Here comes Jacob. Alright guys, so we're having a great morning of riding so far. Actually just took a break because Jacob fell in some mud earlier, but so he's washing off out by the river. Can-Am's holding up great. We're gonna have a lot more third-person view so you can see me going through mud holes as well as skimming the four-wheeler this time, so it's been fun. So that's all for Mud Bash 2021. We had an amazing trip. We are gonna leave earlier than all the events. Starting to get super full out where we parked for our camp, so excuse the background noise, but we're gonna head out and we had a good time. Super dusty. We're gonna get going before anything else crazy happens tonight.